In this video, I'm going to show you how to change wallpaper on iPhone. It's going to be a full guide video tutorial. So ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your settings, right? Click on the settings. Right now, from this display options, scroll down gradually, click on this wallpaper, right? Once you click on it, you're going to see different options, right? So click on this add new wallpaper. If you love to add new one, you can either add it from these features, right? Just find the one that is cool for you and add it up, or you can add it from your device, right? So if you have some good device wallpaper that are cool, some pictures on your device, click on these photos right here, select it, right? Once you select it, once you are done, just choose your own desired picture, then click on the add, right? Once you click on the add, you're gonna add up, or you're gonna change the wallpaper on your iPhone device. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next video.